What is it, Chuka? We love you. Happy Valentine's Day.
He's looking at it going, what is this?
Take out the hose. Running to the car wash.
Taste it, Murphy.
Taste it. It tastes yummy. That's so yummy in my tummy. That's so yummy.
Put it in your mouth, Murphy.
He's like, I'm gonna paint.
Did you paint a Valentine?
Pretty.
Any other time he'd put his hand in
I
your
know.
mouth.
Yeah.
Look.